guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? Today I received an order of like on my Poshmark, so I decided to make a video of how I ship my orders, on Poshmark Canada. It's not the same thing as the US. It's different. This is my week for running errands. Like, do you like it? I went ahead and go to the post office to get some bubble mailers, and this one I believe is like the medium one. There's like a big one, a larger one than that, and I decided to get those one and one on backup because I hate to go back again and again. And sometimes you just don't know, people can just buy your stuff. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, please click the bell, and please follow me on my Instagram, Rosie, and let's get started. So I will just put the image on the screen, what the person just bought, but not the information of the person or whatsoever. Just I will just when I will just stop talking nonsense. But when someone buys something for you, I think from my store I have like 20 items, and from that, like, there is like 4 items that have been sold, and 4 or 5, I don't remember, but this one is the fourth time, and I sold this for like $40. But with the fees, Poshmark fees and all that, it comes down to $30.08. It's still something, okay? So this is the dress. You saw this dress on my declutter with me video. I decided to sell it, and it still has the tag on it, the Fashion Nova tag, and the little replacement button. So it's like that. It's an open back. And what I usually do, I just take this. I hope it's like enough. Anyways, I just take this, and hold on, I forgot something. Sometimes I just put it, last time I just sold like a jacket. It was so big, so I couldn't wrap it like in a beautiful pinky stuff, but now I think I can wrap something pink here. So the card doesn't have to be so professional, but I like it to be a little bit well thought, like I have put some effort. So I'm just going to write like thank you, and this is like from my book. I just take the page. What? Okay, I just take the page off and then cut it, and I'm going to write thank you. And I don't know if you can see. If you can see, do you can see? Anyways, it's thank you, and I wrote like Rosie, not Rosie, Rose. Sometimes I just put some highlighters, but this is the dirty one. Anyways, this is the card. So I am back. Queen is back. I have this. I think the one I bought is like the pink one. I'm not too sure. I think it's a pink one or something like that. But anyway, we're gonna use the white one. It's not a big deal. So this is the dress. There's a lot of sprinkle. And this dress, you know, I'm not too tall, but this dress is really short. Like, but it's cool like for birthdays. I don't think it's appropriate for dates, but for birthday, girls' night out, it's definitely nice. All season. So this is the style. Then next to this, this is what happened. Then I will have my thank you cards, like my thank you paper. I think I'm just going to highlight this one with like some color. So I have a thank you card. I just put some, I don't know if you can see, but I just put some highlighters on it, and I'm just going to insert that here. I think with the jacket one, the last time I just tried it with the jacket one, I should have gone bigger than that, but this is the perfect size for this dress. And of course, when you have multiple items, you need to have like something else, but I didn't experience that yet. So, and the only thing that is missing is obviously the prepaid shipping label. When you ship on Poshmark, you don't have to worry about the shipping. Basically, the person already Poshmark already takes care of it, so it's already paid for. You just have to print this out, or just have to have your little machine to print this out, and then to put it here, and then when you go to the post office, they're just going to scan it and then put it in the back or something like that. So me, because my printer is something, our printer is something have a problem. I paid some I forgot what it's called, but it has some problem. Okay, I'm just going to go to the go outside and to the store to print that out, and then I will just show you after that how we're going to position that in this thing here. Okay. So I just take this out, and then you know, we hustle over here. So guys, oh shoot. So guys, the last step is like so easy. I just have my package with me, and basically I'm just going to print this out and then, you know, tape it with the scotch tape. I forgot my scissor, and then I will just show you some clips from my phone at the end of the, you know, right after this clip. I will show you how, you know, I in the post office and all that, but it's not the vlog. Okay, I'm just going to show you like pictures and a little bit of clip, and that's pretty much it. Like, So thank you so much guys for watching. If you have any question, please comment down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my Instagram @rosie, and have a great day. Bye ladies, bye gentlemen.
Love you.